Good morning everyone, today we're looking at another Ingersoll watch. Seems to be something I do a lot of nowadays. We're going to be looking at the Ingersoll The Regent today. So initial look at the box. It's a simple sort of cardboard outside cover with almost like a black pulley, just to reveal a sort of vintage style buckle down case. And your instructions and warranty is all sort of included on a card that sits inside its own separate pouch on the box with a QR code there. So here we go, guys. This is the Ingersoll The Regent. It's got a 47mm case diameter with a 17mm case thickness, so it's quite a thick watch. Retails around like £235, depending on where you get it from. I'm currently looking at the Crystal Hunter website, and that's the price on there. Probably weighs around about 180-200 grams. It's got quite a decent weight to it, despite the leather style strap. And uses a automatic movement. I think it's a Chinese one. I can't remember off the top of my head what one it uses. So let's have a look at the face here. So the face is quite a busy face. You've got a full day and date function with a open heart view of the skeletal movement. Fully luminous hands as well. Got a bit of a sort of a spearhead shape to them. Luminous increments as well, dashed in rose gold sort of detailing, and numbers every 3 hours. Going to the casing, full PVD style casing with different positions for your other crowns and chronographs to move the different functions around. Overall, it's a very, very nice, well finished watch. Let's have a look at that crown movement first. Bit of a crunchy wind up function as you can hear there. Only got one position on the crown, but a very nice feedback on the actual position to that crown. And it's got a bit more of a spring-loaded push down. You do feel a bit of resistance before it slots back in place. And you've got the first button here, which adjusts your day. Well, your date in the form of a... And then you've got your day changer as well on the left button. So going to the strap. Let's have a look at the strap width. You've got crocodile leather style strap. Mineral crystal going over the top of the actual watch as well. It's got a 24mm strap width. Quite a thick strap. Full black stitching all the way down the outside, as you can see here. Thin holes as well for the buckle to sit inside. Full PVD rose gold finish on the actual Ingersoll buckle here, held in a bit more of a cheaper buckle, as you can see from the movement, but at least you've got the definition on that buckle on the outside. Around the back side, you've got the full view of the skeletal back plate, as you can see here, full view of that movement. So there we go, that is the Ingersoll The Regent.